Hey guys, King Blaze here. It's a bit late, so I'm not recording quite late, so let's just jump in, get some FIFA packs open. And who we got? Dunno, not that good really. Let's go again. I'm not going to snag it. If you want to get your own videos, you can do it as well. At the moment I'm not very, quite tired. Coming quite late at night. By the telly, I think. I'm not very good at that. Oh yeah, Paul Johnson. Not like I've had him a million times. Riziki plays for Arsenal. People know me, they're probably going to be saying right now, you don't know anything, you idiot. And I find that very offensive. It's funny, because I just got Kaka. He used to be my favourite player. I have no idea why. If you can help me, please do. There he is, Kaka. Oh, sorry, just had a slight delay there. I thought I stopped the recording. That would have been freaky. No. What do you guys? Not very good, really. I'm gonna anticipate. I'm just gonna go straight off. It better not be good, otherwise I would have been killing myself. Not really. Never kill yourself. Bad idea. Probably can't hear me very well, can you? No, probably can't. Do 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 do. So I'm listening to music while I'm recording. I got informed. It's not that bad. Yes, I'm playing on a thing called FootWiz. Type in FootWiz FIFA packs 14, or World Cup, FIFA 10, FIFA 11, FIFA 12, FIFA 13. I don't really care. I will do a proper series on this where I try and get the best team possible. This is just something I'll be doing on my channel. So yeah, I don't know if you can hear the music in my background because I can't. I literally cannot do it. I want to get someone like Messi. Okay. I may or may not have just pressed on a silver pack. If you saw that, well done. Gold. Junker. Sorry. Shouldn't be laughing. Come on. I'll do you guys. Darn it. Let's keep going. Let's go for... This isn't going to be a very long one. Got young. Long young. Gold pack. Because that pack is good. Nope. No one. Doing really good there. Open silver pack again. I'm genius. Gold pack. There we go. Okay, I'll open one more pack after this. If we don't get anybody good in there, I am rage quitting. No, I won't, but... Yeah, alright, last pack. Gotta make it good. I'm not gonna look this time. You guys will probably see, but I won't. Okay, I'm gonna look now. I hope you guys enjoyed this little taste of what I'll be doing on my channel. And subscribe, please, I really need it. If we can get over 100 views on this, I would be so happy. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.